we are going to review Daily Screen lightweight sunscreen with SPF 50 plus PA plus ng Sola Beauty. So nag-release na nga ng lightweight sunscreen ng Sola Beauty. So Sola Beauty is known, so mas sumikat sila, nag-viral talaga sila with foundation primer na nag-change sa game ng base product. So foundation, primer, sabi nila skin tint pero foundation and primer all in one, or tinted sunscreen all in one, tinted sunscreen, skin tint, and foundation primer all in one. But nag-release sila ng lightweight sunscreen, yung sariling sunscreen ng Sola Beauty. So we are going to try this, right? So here are the details. Glow all day under the sun, worry-free with their lightweight sunscreen. This watery cream easily melts onto skin, giving you a silky smooth layer of sun protection without the heavy or greasy feeling. Its skin-loving formula contains a powerhouse blend of Korean black ginseng, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help boost skin hydration, brighten skin, and help minimize the appearance of dark spots over time. This tinted sunscreen provides broad-spectrum UV protection to help fight signs of premature aging and sun damage, and this is a must staple in your skincare routine for an everyday protected glow. So, it has invisible glowy finish, broad-spectrum UV protection, weightless watery cream, and with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. So we are going to try this, not a first impression video because I tried this for days already and I'm going to give you my thoughts. So we are going to try the sunscreen right now. So meron itong full version, parang sa foundation primer nila, or I should say tinted sunscreen or skin tint, kung naman tawag ng Sola Beauty nila. And this is the sunscreen version. Okay, ang feeling ko dito is non-greasy siya, and ito napatunayan ko sa claims nila, and wala siyang white cast. Wala siyang white cast, and it's the same formula as this Bayer na sunscreen. Sola Beauty gives me a get ahead of the game with this one. This sunscreen, it proves all the claims all in one. So kung ano yung bakit nag-viral, yung viral na pa-foundation primer nila, yung impression ko doon, same as my impressions for this one. So, both of them are lightweight. I have the other one, hindi ko pa inubos kasi titipid ko siya, kasi magandang base makeup siya. And also this one is a good product to try. So, why don't you try Sola Beauty Daily Lightweight Sunscreen right now?